Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to the internet address of your custom search engine, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to use your search engine to search something on the internet. And now click here, go to settings, and now find search engine option, and now in recently visited you should have yep.com option, and now go back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.